Okay, this basically is to demonstrate TiO2 nano coatings on fabric surfaces such as carpet, upholstery, drapes. You know, they're made out of different things such as nylon, like this carpeting. Cotton could be your comforter, your sheets, your drapes, but basically what the nano coatings do is they seal the microscopic pores in the surface so that germs, bacteria, and moisture cannot get in them. And if germs and mold and all those things can't get into those pores, they can't grow. So you can cut down on odors and bacteria in the air just by sealing all the surfaces. Our first demonstration is to show on white carpeting that it works like a fabric protectant, similar to Teflon and similar to Scotchgard without all the harsh chemicals. This is a green product. TiO2 is used in the food industry. It's a food grade TiO2. Very non-toxic. You don't have to wear any personal protection when you spray this stuff. It doesn't hurt your hands. It's a real mild cleaner, but it does some amazing things. And this is to demonstrate. This is simulate dry dirt, which you would be able to vacuum. And basically, shaking around with this dry dirt, one side is coated, one side is not. We're going to brush off. You're not going to see a huge difference in what happens here, but you're going to definitely see a difference that the one side definitely held less dirt than the other. And we'll show later on in the video that we can clean this out. It's basically hard to tell, but this side is coated and this side is not. But when I rinse it, you'll see a much bigger difference. Here is a stain in a carpeting, and this carpeting was treated with TiO2 fabric protectant. We're going to show how our cleaner that also has TiO2 nanoparticles oxidizes the stain without even really doing anything. You just basically spray and walk away. The red stain was basically oxidized by the TiO2 and keeps your carpets clean, keeps liquid stains from setting, just like your Scotchgard and just like your Teflon, but without the harsh chemicals. And they're planning on removing these chemicals, slowly phasing these products out because they found that they're cancer causing and they're having some issues. These cotton balls are treated with the fabric protection, and normally a cotton ball would float to the bottom. But because all the pores are sealed, the moisture can't get in, and that's why they float. Now we're going to put some just regular food coloring into the water to give you kind of a demonstration. One side of this cotton pad is coated and one side's not, and you'll see a kind of a major difference once I dip this. And what happens, basically you can tell the side that's treated and the side that's not. Basically you can see it did not soak into the fibers of the treated side, keeping it from staining. And again, if moisture can't get in and all the pores are sealed, no mold, mildew can grow. Another thing that this product does is it helps with the flame resistant. This is just your typical paper towel. Basically, if you can get the lighter to light, basically, obviously a normal paper towel will light up pretty quickly. This paper towel here is coated. It will burn a little, but it basically does not catch fire because all the little micropores that the oxygen get into are sealed. That's what stops it from catching on fire. Again, back to this piece here. Didn't really show that great the dry staining abilities of this, but trust me, it works. But I will show you what happens when you rinse it. Try to get most of it out of there. And we'll wipe it with a towel to kind of show you at the side. That got treated will come out a little cleaner. You got to kind of look close, and hopefully the video will show that. But it's hard to probably tell. I can tell, you know, some of the staining is a little heavier. But again, if it cannot seep in, it cannot stain. Again, what's great about this product is it's green, it's non-toxic, it's made out of TiO2 nanoparticles, which are food grade. You basically don't have to worry about all the toxic chemicals that you would normally use to seal your carpet, and it's more reasonably priced than a lot of the Teflon and Scotchgard products that are out there. We can actually fog this product onto almost every surface, including all your fabrics. See our other videos at Go Green Self Clean.